Hello, welcome back. We are going to be doing a prepping for a summer vacation. So we are currently on our way to get a spray tan. I've never gotten a spray tan before, and my sister's here with me and she's never gotten one before either. So we don't really know what to expect from it, but we're just hoping.
I had to brake.
Terrible driver.
I had to brake.
We don't want to end up looking like Ross from Friends, but let's just hope for the best. Waiting for you. I was seated in the little couch and I faced to where your door was, and I saw you come out, and to me you looked orange, and I started laughing. So I got up and I put Snapchat because I thought you were gonna look like Ross. And you also came out with like a scared face. I was like, oh no, she had a bad experience.
No, my eyes were like, oh.
Oh yeah, so I went in there and the lady was like, put lotion, like a shit ton of lotion between your fingers, on your hands, and on your feet and toes. And I
in the hands, you went into the machine that sprays
the same amount every dark. Imagine if we did the dark one.
Oh gosh, it would have God. She was almost coming.
Yeah, but what was I saying? I know. I was like, no, not your first time.
I was like, no,
just go with your light.
Yes, I was like,
I literally like imagined
it's better
myself
to be unhappy being still lighter than
being
dark.
Ross.
Yes.
But I forgot to put lotion on my hands, so I think I'm gonna have orange hands and orange feet.
Do you put it on your feet? No.
No,
oh,
I forgot both. If I would have remembered, like honestly, my feet, I don't really care, but my hands, like I've seen people with orange hands, and it sucks. But I feel like your color's already developing. Maybe I'm just like that white. I just got out of the eyelash place. I went to go get them done. Sorry I didn't film anything before. I was running late and I had the baby girl that I babysit, so it was just a little hectic. But I am out. I actually ended up falling asleep in there. I was so tired and I fell asleep. But this is what they look like. They did different ones on me today. They did like the ones that are called featherweight, I believe. I believe they're called featherweight, and they did those, and then they did like a curlier one. I've never gotten this curly, and I'm still really dark. My hands are orange because I forgot to put the lotion on. But right now I'm gonna quickly go to Jamba Juice and get an acai bowl because I'm starving. Literally, I was laying there and then I took like a small nap, and when I woke up from my nap, my stomach started like growling and I felt so embarrassed.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
And now we're gonna get some makeup. It is Tuesday, one day before I leave, and yesterday I went to go get my eyelashes done, as you saw, and I went to go get a manicure and a pedicure. I just got yellow on both my hands and my toes, just like this pale yellow. I look really dark on this camera. I don't know what's going on. After I leave here, I'm gonna go to Target to get, I'm hoping that I can find some shorts. I know I saw them. I tried them on a different Target, but they didn't have my size. So I hope that this Target that I'm going to has them. And then after that, I have to go start packing. I haven't packed at all and it's my friend's birthday dinner tonight. I'm gonna go, but I can't stay for long because I need to finish packing. Okay, here. So I'm crouched down because I don't know why, but I don't like to hold the camera. Maybe I'm just lazy, but I went to my friend's birthday dinner. I just got back. I have to go and buy dog food for my dogs because we're gonna have my aunt feed them while we're gone. It's pretty early, I think. It is 8:56. I'm about to start setting all my clothes out so that I can see what I'm going to be taking. Also, there's already clothes on my bed of some stuff that I'm taking. And then, did you guys hear that? That was creepy. Weird. And then I'm going to pack everything in. So my sister and I are sharing a suitcase, so we have to do that. Hopefully everything fits. So my sister and I are sharing a suitcase, and then my parents are sharing a suitcase, and then everyone's taking their own carry-on for additional stuff. And I'm like super excited, but also really don't want to pack. And for my friend's birthday dinner, I wore this strapless dress with these heels. I know my feet are really gross. Super tan. And then these earrings, which have little beads on them. They're the cutest thing ever. Show you what I got from the stores. From Target, I got nail glue for my sister. Gotta give that to her. I got a pair of shorts. These are like the new ones that are in, which aren't like short shorts. They're like a little bit longer. And I tried them on and I liked them, so. This Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. And then my friend's birthday gift, but that's already with her. I don't have that in there anymore. And then yesterday I went to Ulta and I got a concealer because I need to shade darker, like 3 shades darker. And then this Hawaiian palette, this hydrating face mask, obviously gum. And then this is the external disc drive that I was talking about that I need for my computer, so I have to remember to pack that as well. I got this new swimsuit and it has like these on the side, which is kind of revealing, but I thought it was really like cute and so different. I don't have anything like this. Then I got this one, which these are the bottoms, and it has like this detailing on the side. They're really cute. They're like mid-rise, I guess. This is the front of the top and the back, which is another crisscross thing. I'm gonna lay everything out, pick out jewelry, and then I'll show you in the process of everything.